How to hide followers on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and say, for example, you wanted to hide the followers list from a person. It doesn't matter if it's one of your followers or any random person. It works the same way. What you need to do is you go to that person's profile, and then you click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, and from the pop-up menu list at the bottom, you either can block this person or restrict him. Blocking him meaning he will never ever be able to see anything from you, and restricting him will limit the amount of things that he will be able to see. However, if you want to hide your followers list entirely from your profile, what you need to do is you need to click on the three lines at the top right of the screen, and then click on settings and then privacy. And from the account privacy section, you need to turn on the private account toggle by clicking on it, and then click switch to private. And by private in your account, no one will be able to see your followers list, whether he's your follower or any other person. Your followers list will be hidden. So that was it for this video, and unfortunately this is the only way to do so right now. There's no way that you can hide your followers list just like that without going through these steps. So that's how you can hide your followers list on Instagram as of right now. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.